Today's lesson is on the past simple tense questions using did. Before I start, please remember to like this video, share it with others, leave me a comment in the comments section, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. In order to form questions with did, we need did plus the subject plus the base of the verb plus the rest of the sentence. For example, did I bring a piece of ID? Did he bring a piece of ID? Did we bring a piece of ID? Did it come with a warranty? Did Carl buy a new car? Did Laura eat all of the chips and Cheetos? Did everyone study for the exam? Did you buy some fruits and veggies? Did you get your paycheck? You can also say, did you receive your paycheck? Did you know that you can also add question words before did to make questions? For example, with the question word what, you can make a question like, what did she make for dinner? Or for the question word when did you start working? Why did they arrive so late? Where did you guys go last Saturday? How did Joanne become so successful? And who did Frank's house renovation? Good job, you guys. Now it's your turn. Write a question in the past simple tense using did in the comments section.